So today is gonna be another video. I have 3 skins. I'm on level 24, trying to go to level 25. I'm on a life, I'm on a life, I'm on a life, I'm on a life, I'm on a track 555. I'm on a life, I'm on a bison. Look at that bison symbol. Okay, so we are playing Fortnite still. It's our second Fortnite video from today. And so excuse me, don't worry about that, I'll be done. Season bonus goal. Okay, so we're doing the millionaire battle. Millionaire game. Yes, we are. And I have this skin. I have 3 skins. Only 3. So, game starting. Oh, I see someone. Why? Why? Why am I so crappy? That literally basic person just did something to me. I thought it was just camouflage. Okay, so guys, we are now losing it. No, who just did that? Who the heck is doing that? I literally can't see nothing. I hear something. so we are going around trying to find people. Oh. I keep on hearing stuff I can't see. Oh, I just poked my eye. One eye also just got shot. Bro, where are you? That was just that froze. Bro, you are good. Oh, I was close in that one, but that one I wasn't good enough. Trash, absolutely trash. Oh, he has his weapon now. Okay, I might know how to trick him. But now I'm not where he was at. Okay, so guys, we're still in the video. Yeah, we only have a couple more minutes left until the video is over. But I know I'm trash. I don't have to say it. I already know. Why are you running? Bro, he's trying to trick me. I swear he's trying to trick me. He's trying to trick me. Bad. I swear. No. Please let me be. I'm an anime person. I know I shouldn't be a girl, but week. For real, I'm losing every single game in Fortnite. I haven't won one single game. Sure, I do have the battle pass. I have some stuff but still. I hear something. Okay, so guys, we here wherever we are. Come out wherever you are. I hear something. Whoa! It scared me. That was anime girl versus anime girl, and better anime girl beat loser anime girl. So I am loser anime girl. I actually am trying, but that is actually last of this video. And I hope you like it, and I'll see you soon. Bye!